Hello everyone, today we're discussing the wall load in the Trenton Refrigeration Load Calculator tool located in the Trenton Refrigeration Design Tools package, which can be downloaded from the Trenton Refrigeration website. This tutorial is a continuation of the previous tutorial using the same 10 by 10 by 10 cooler application at a 35-degree box temperature. You can see the calculations already queued up, so let's click the wall load button. In here is a summary of each of the 6 sections of the cooler box, starting with by name: rear, right end, front, left end, floor, and ceiling. The section material, which it defaults to standard urethane. The thickness, the K factor, the R value, external temperature, dimensions, and so forth. To modify a wall, simply double click on the wall of your choice. In this case, we'll start with the rear wall, double click, and the following comes up. You can see all the information from the previous screen is now listed here. Thickness, K factor, R value per unit thickness, effective R value, exterior temperature, exterior RH, and section load, which in this case is 175 BTUH. So let's make a couple of changes here. I want to change the material type, so I go to Installation Construction, click the down arrow, and there's a pretty long list of materials to choose from, and I'll choose extruded polystyrene. My wall load is now changed from 167 to 250. If I would like to change the material thickness, simply highlight that 4 under the thickness category and enter 6, and the wall load changes correspondingly. If I want to change the wall temperature from an 85, let's just say it's a wall exterior to ambient, I'll change that to 100. Click on any box, and then my section load changes to 217 BTUH. Click OK, and you'll notice that anything that appears in bold now is something that has changed from the default value. So instead of doing these walls one at a time all the way down, if you'd like, you can change them all as a group. So the remaining walls, I'll start with right end, hold down the shift key, click on left end, and click on edit sections. And if I want to build the same wall that I had before, go to Installation Construction, go to extruded polystyrene, change the material thickness to 6, change the wall temperature to 100, and click OK, and you can see that now they're all of the same configuration. Now if I want to change the ceiling, it would be the same way. I just double click on that one, change the material type to extruded polystyrene, 6-inch, 100 degrees. The next thing that we're going to do is discuss the floor. Now you'll notice that the floor temperature isn't listed, but it defaults to 55 degrees. If you wanted to change that floor temperature, simply double click on the floor section, and where it says floor type, click on the down arrow next to on grade. So instead of using on grade, which is what we're using now, click on above grade and hit OK, and it'll now let you change your floor temperature to whatever you prefer. So in this case, we'll just say it's 65 degrees. Hit OK. Okay, lastly, if you would like to change your box location, you can always go to this section here on the under the wall load section and click from indoors to outdoors or outdoor cold climate. So let's return to the main screen, click OK, and we return to the main screen with our modified wall load. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact your local Trenton sales engineer. Thank you and have a great day.